underline 3 words which are there on first page: materials, secure, and warm. Secure and warm, almost the last line. Okay. Then turn the page. Third one.
Teacher, this third one.
Third one is this. Okay, turn the page. Have you all turned the page? Third sentence.
Yes.
Prevents. The word is prevents. See the word here. Prevents.
Yes, I got.
Third sentence. Prevents. Okay, everyone should get it. Don't shout. No need of shouting and making noise in the class. Now go below and the patronage. You know that you don't know that spelling, so you're going to do that. Okay. See that.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Who is that? Okay, Ananya Mate, very good, very good. Chalo, do it now. Okay, now, then after the patronage, come down. One sentence you will leave, come down, scrape. SCRAPE, scrape. Leave one line, below there, scrape. Then below there, hollow. Below there,
Underline
hollow.
scrape.
Yes, बाबा मग कशासाठी सांगते मी वर्ड अंडरलाईन करायलाच ना. Hollow.
Yes, I
Underline the word
underline hollow also.
Yes, after that hollow.
Hollow. Cozy.
Yes. Then next paragraph. Cradle. CRADLE. Cradle.
Cradle.
Yes, and the last one now. In that paragraph, the last starting word. Entrances.
Which?
Entrances. The last paragraph, last starting word. Yeah. Entrances.
Entrances. Entrances.
Entrance. मला माहिती entrance म्हणजे काय ते. Word is not spelling. You must learn.
Teacher, where? Entrance.
Then below there, leave one line and underline the word stitches.
Okay.
Yes, entrances, stitches.
Teacher.
Then here up, comfortable. The last, the ending of the paragraph, comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yes. Then go in the next paragraph.
Ma'am, where is entrances?
Can you find it afterwards now? Afterwards, I'll tell you. Don't, you be with the class. Otherwise, you will not be able to underline the other words. You will stuck with that only. Now leave this the next paragraph. Drilling. Second line, drilling. Drilling. DRILLING.
Yes, I got.
When I ask you the questions, you were not there.
Ma'am,
You just
drilling.
keep your audio on and you'll go off or what?
Ma'am, underline drilling.
हो रे बाबा, मग कशाला सांगितला 3-3दा मी तो वर्ड? उगाच सांगतेय का? Okay, now go on the next paragraph. You know hollow. Hollow word you have to underline. The dark ones for you, I will learn only. Hollow, which is here, the dark black. The bold
Yes,
black
I got it. And I underline also.
Yes, everyone has to do it.
Which,
That's not
ma'am?
some winning flag you have got. Okay.
Which
Now
word?
tunnel shape. Tunnel. Almost now second last sentence of the page. Tunnel. Second last sentence.
Yes,
of the
I got.
page. Tunnel.
Ma'am, so
Sorry, don't shout.
yes, sir.
Don't shout every time. You have to underline.
Ma'am, what is before tunnel?
Hollow. See, it is in the dark, black dark. Okay, now on page V25. Starting of this thing is horned owl. HORNED, horned owl. HORNED. Hurry up.
Horned.
Yes.
Yes.
Do this.
Then hatching.
Which,
Almost
ma'am?
the second last paragraph. Hatching. That's all.
Teacher, after this word.
After what, child? Quickly.
I cannot found.
Found? That's good. Chalo. Now you all have the grammar and more book.
Ma'am, I cannot hatch it.
Teacher.
Grammar and more book, ma'am.
Yes, grammar and more book.
Grammar and more book.
Notebook. Adjective.
Page number 16. We have chapter 2 for the exam. We have chapter number 2 for exam nouns. Okay. So you all open that. Hurry up.
Chapter.
I had told you, no, you should have your EVS book and the grammar and more book, right?
It's a noun.
Chalo. Now how you are going to revise before the exam? That is how.
Chapter 2 nouns.
Yes. Okay. Now children, you all tell me, huh? A.
Next.
Exercise A. What you have to do? Come on, read in mind. Read in mind.
Teacher, you all double. Nouns are repetitive.
Teacher, page number.
16. Who is that? Always you will ask at the last. Page number 16. Nouns. A. Come on, open the book. See exercise A. Identify the nouns. Circle if it is a person or an animal. Box if it is a place. And underline if it is a thing. Okay? First one.
Teacher,
we have done
which
for
number?
us. Hey, काय है? कौन है हा? What are you asking? What are you asking? Bhai Shaurya, how many times I should say? Tell me how many times I should say? Why didn't you keep your book ready when I had told you already? Page number 16. 1616. Till the end, I keep on talking to you. Which exercise, which page number? Which exercise, which page number? Our work will not get over only. Okay, now first one they have done. School is what, children? Place. Place, you have to put it in the box. A person and an animal you have to circle. Then underline a thing like a bottle, right? Have you all understood? So this way we have done, we have solved, we are now only revising. Okay, now in the second one, I will call out the name and only that child has to tell me for second how we have done. Okay, now first who will tell me? Siddharth, tell me the second one. Kuro, what are we going to do?
Circle. Which, ma'am?
Correct. Hospital.
Box.
Yes, it's a place. And then, do we need to do anything? No. There is no thing at all which we have to underline. Go on 3. Aunt. Swara say.
Circle.
Aunt, circle. Church. A place. Put it in the box.
Circle.
Yes.
The church.
Peach is a fruit. Underline. It's a fruit. So that's a thing which we are going to underline. Very good. 1 4. B.
कोणतं सांगा तुझं
Isha, tell me B. B, circle. Animal or person, circle. Correct, Isha.
Circle.
Car.
Underline.
Line. That's a thing. Pianist, a person. We are going to circle. Very good. My children are good only.
Circle,
Okay,
no.
next one. Doctor.
Box.
Circle.
Correct.
Circle.
Healthy.
Circle.
Water.
Circle.
Butter.
Underline.
Underline. Okay. And stadium.
Circle.
That's a place.
Box.
Correct. Correct. Next. Mother.
Circle.
Circle.
Boat.
Box. Underline.
Boat.
Underline.
Underline. Water.
Underline.
Line.
Underline.
Okay, that's all. Now next. Soap. Soap.
Underline.
Underline.
Underline. Optician.
Underline.
Optician. He's a person. No?
Circle. Box.
Circle.
अरे ऑप्टिशियन म्हणजे जो चष्मे बनवतो ना तो ऑप्टिशियन.
Circle.
सर्कल तो पर्सन आहे. मायक्रोस्कोप.
Underline. Thing.
Underline.
Correct. Seven is the first to go down. Magician.
Circle.
Well. Band.
Circle.
Band.
Underline.
Box.
I have a magic band. Wand. You can see wand.
Underline.
Yes, fine. Frightened. Work. Theater. Box. Correct. Very good. Yes. Now, don't repeat, na children. That's too much. Okay, now first one. You have to take the suitable one. You are going to tell me only the correct answer. Wash your hands with before you eat your lunch.
Soap.
So, the giraffe is the tallest land
Animal.
Animal.
The dash is called the shape of the desert.
Camel.
Yes. Rani likes to drink hot.
Tea.
Correct. Yes, correct. Snow White ate poisoned
Apple.
Apple.
apple. Correct. A baby goat is called
Baby.
Kid.
baby goat is called
Kid.
kid. My mother always plants a pot sapling on my
Sapling on my birthday.
We are going to the theater hospital to where do we go? To a theater to watch a
Show.
Now, circle the noun in each set that do not belong to the group. Means odd one noun. In the first one, tell me, fruit they have given, which is the odd one. Right. Second one, boat. Third one,
Park.
fourth one,
Farm.
and the last one.
Egg.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Now you are going to give me the answers which you have already circled over here in the table. Okay, now are you all ready? I will ask you the question. Together nicely, I'll give me the answer. I sell flowers. I am a
Florist.
Florist.
florist. Correct. Very good.
Florist.
I help children to learn. I am a
Teacher.
I sell, yes, I sell medicines in a shop. I am a
Clinical. Mama. Chemist.
calling mama now.
Chemist.
Chemist. I am a
What is the spelling of florist?
FLO. It's there in the box. You all have done it, no? This box you have
done.
circle it and then write it. Then you want me to feed you with everything. We have it in the class. FLORIST is a spelling of florist. The words are here. We have done few over here and few I had told you to do it, knowingly. Or here also the time was given to you. I serve people in the restaurant. I am a
Waiter.
waiter. Correct. And the slide also was sent to you for writing. Fifth one. I grow crops in the field. I am a
Farmer.
Yes. Farmer. I design machines. I design machines, roads, and bridges. I am an I deliver letters. I am a
Postman.
Man.
teach sports. I am a
Tailor.
I put out fires. I am a firefighter. Correct. I work in a hospital. I look after those who are sick. I am a yes.
I am
How will we fight?
Finger on the lip. Mouth shut. Now see here, children. You know what do we mean by common nouns? Okay, common nouns means all the place, person, thing. And when do we call it as a proper noun? Name of a boy, name of a girl. Any particular special name is given, that is called as a proper noun. We write proper noun with a capital letter. Others are all common nouns. Yes? Yes? Do you all know that? Come on, go and read it out. Try out what teacher is saying. I'm revising. Yes, yes, I did that. How is it okay? How is it okay?
Country America, Ocean Atlantic.
We have given this proper noun or the common noun given. Mountain. Nanda Devi they have given. You can write the Ramayana or any city, Pune, author. Any author, P.L. Deshpande, Pula Deshpande, any author you can write, the one who writes. Actor, any actor name which you will write with the capital letter. Okay, yes. So we have written this. Do you all know about it? Yes or no?
yes.
Children, are you all listening? Keep your videos on. Let me see you all. Now go on page number 19. Page number 19. Are you all ready?
Yes.
What is the question there? Study the picture and give one word answer. Okay. What is the boy pointing at?
Globe.
Yes. But what is important? A globe. It is written with A and the article. Okay. A globe. We do not write article before proper noun. Okay. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. What is the boy pointing at? A globe. Okay. Who is sitting next to the boy? A girl. Give the name of the boy in the picture. Any name. Yes, we have written Rohit. Have we written article before Rohit?
No.
No. We do not write article before proper noun. Okay. Few magazines and all we write with the Times of India and the papers like that about the specific papers, and they can come under a category of the article, but with proper noun we do not write the article. Okay. Give a name of a person next to him. Rani. Have we written article there? No, we haven't written any article. Which object on the table gives light?
Lamp.
A table lamp. Yes, article is there. Read that article also. Speak softly. A table lamp. Okay. Which object on the table is used for drinking? A cup. Which object on the table is used for writing? Kriya, you are shouting from there. These are the several objects of one kind on the table. Okay, what are they called? Okay, now turn the page. Now turn the page. Okay. Now children, we are Kriya. इथं ती क्रिया काय बोलायची थांबत नाही. क्रिया काही पण करपू दे, ती मम्मा बघेल, तू नको बघूस. Okay, now we are going to talk about the singular and plural nouns. Okay, children, as we have seen this, you are going to go through this carefully, and after 2 minutes, I am going to ask you. If Zoom ends tomorrow, we are going to continue with it. Don't worry. But now I want you all to read out those rules for writing the plurals. For writing the plurals. Generally, the S is my voice is also echoing. Na?
Yes, teacher, your voice is coming double. Teacher, your voice is double.
Okay, now you just revise those rules. Hurry up. Revise each and every rule. Hurry up. When do we write ES? When do we write IES? When after Y, S is written. Come on, revise those rules. Hurry up, hurry up.
Here is so many. Go. Jar. There is raining.
Very good. You children are reading very nicely. I can see them. Ananya, are you there or Ananya has left? Very good. Children are reading it very nicely. This is revision, children. We have done it twice. With PPT, PDF, again.
Yes.
And now this is again a revision.
Plural by using Y. MLIES. Example, butterfly
Nouns.
and butterfly.
हॅलो चालूच नाही ना. हॅलो हॅलो हॅलो.
Revise this also. Revise page number 21, all the plurals, plural forms, singular and plural nouns. Come on, start saying the spellings.